funny lock. So this is the lock. Just press it down to unlock. Yeah, it's locked. Slow. Now it's okay? Yeah. Okay, I'm all packed, ready to go. I'm ready to go home. My bag, my heavy bag, full of toys and goodies. What is the time now? It's 6:15, 28th September here. In the evening. In 1.5 hours, I'll be leaving for airport. Huh? Okay, need to power charge my phone a bit. Turn on the TV again. Oops. Okay. Hey, Daddy. Bye, Daddy. Bye.